Is that G-Fam?
Bigla na lang akong napapangiti kapag naaalala kong ikaw ang kasama. Nilalasap ko ang mga sandali na tila ang oras ay hindi nalintana. Ang mga yakap na laging hinahanap, mga kamay mo na palagi lang nahawak-hawak. Habang malaya ko lang na nasisilayan ng maamo mong mukha na ko okay sarap masdan. Hanggang sa unti-unti nang lumalalim ang gabi, at ang buwan at mga tala ang ating naging saksi. Dahan-dahan at marahan lang ang bawat sandali, sa matamis na pagdampi ng ating mga labi. Sana ay ikaw na lang ang nasa araw-araw ko na makasama. And it's gonna be you and me, we'll love each other. We'll stand against the world, cause you are my only answer. Yeah, baby, there's a ton of reasons why, yeah. The fact that we are never meant to be, but I don't need a fucking reason, right, yeah. To fall in love with you and be with me. Oh, you better understand that maybe together we can probably make it. I know it's hard to do than say it. If there's a chance, I'm glad to take it. Why, oh why can't we just try and fight it? Because of every minute we are wasting feels like such a crime. I don't wanna lie, I'm frightened. If you need time, I'll buy it. And I'll be staying right here, open arms in faith you heal in time. Sana ay ikaw na lang ang nasa araw-araw ko na makasama. And it's gonna be you